Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to take these resin drips off of anything that you didn't have time to tape or didn't tape. I just made these coasters out of leftover resin from my golden bronze piece, and I'll link that down below if you want to check that video out. I had a lot of resin left over and was like, oh, I don't want to waste this, so I just picked up my ceramic tiles that I have in my art room and put the resin on there with some popsicle sticks. And so yeah, I had these drips on the bottom. So I just took my little attachment there, attached it to my heat gun, and the hardest part is just getting a good angle on the first drip, and then after that it's pretty easy. You just move it back and forth. I have my heat gun on high heat, and they just slide right off. And you're going to want to put something behind your area that you're working on. Hopefully you can do this outside if possible, because it does get messy. These little drips do go flying, and I recommend eye protection for sure. So I saw Clara Lawrence do this on her YouTube channel, and I will link her down below. So I wanted to share just in case this helped anyone else out. She does really awesome resin art, so go check her out if you guys like resin art as much as I do. So these heat guns, I'm pretty sure all of them come with this little attachment, and I was like, what in the world are all these attachments for when I got my heat gun? So I'm glad I'm actually getting to use this one. It's super flat on the end, like I said before. There's two of them, and one of them's kind of curved. You want to use the one that's totally flat. So yeah, you just go in and see how easy that is. It just comes right off. So actually in my art room, I took a towel and put it over my table and kind of draped it up over my workstation and took two thumbtacks and tacked it into the wall. And that caught all of the drips. So that was a helpful little tip. So then you're ready to sand, and do this outside and wear a mask, of course. This is my little sander block. I love it so much. It's so easy to sand these down. Just take them outside, give them a little sanding, 30 seconds, and then they're good to go. Just clean off any dust with some isopropyl alcohol, and then you're ready to paint. I like to paint mine black. It's just easier that way, I think. I just use acrylic paint. Here they are, all nice and dry. And I have two ways I like to finish my tile coasters. I like to use cork or felt bumpers. I will say the felt bumpers are about a third of the price of the cork. So, and I attach it with the E6000 glue. I get all this on Amazon. These are the tiles that I made in my flower dip video. I will link that down below if you want to check it out. So just take your E6000 glue and take your cork, remove the little backing there, make a little border of your glue, and you're ready to go. I just let these set overnight and then stack them, or they're ready to gift, or whatever you want to do with them. I love how the cork looks. I just don't like the price so much. The felt bumpers look really nice too, so it's up to you what you want to do on those. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. I hope everybody's having a happy Friday and a good weekend. I'll see you on Monday for another video. And don't forget to check out the creation video for these. It'll be down in the description. Bye!